YouTube? Today we're gonna pick up the Jordan 11 Jubilee, or what do you call it, the 25th anniversary. And it's definitely my first time hitting in finish line in a while, so I'm excited for it. I think it's a pretty clean colorway. And anyway, this is my first time in this mall in a while as well because of that COVID thing. So yeah, let's pick up the sneakers. YouTube, yep, I did secure my pair of the Jordan 11 Jubilees. I'm happy that I wanted to get out there so fast. There's so mad people out there because of the whole COVID right now. I ain't gonna stay there any longer. There's too many people and it's a Saturday, and now I just want to go home and we're gonna check this sneaker out.
Finally back. Yo, there was mad people at the mall today. Haven't seen that much people at the mall since maybe before COVID, and it is the holidays. It is 2 weeks before Christmas, so it is understandable, but the mall is not the place to hang out right now, to be honest with you. But I am happy I secured a pair of the Jordan 11 Jubilee, so we're gonna check this out right now. Let's see if I like them. Oof. The box is nice though. Very unique. It doesn't come with your typical Jordan box. It comes with this. Oh, it's different. It's like the Adidas 4D box where you can open it two ways. Oh wait, it goes like this. Yeah, this way and this way. Yeah, it does remind me of the Adidas 4D box. First impression. Hope I like it because I haven't opened this yet. But oof. Oh, these are fire. Yo, this is clean. Look at that. I haven't owned a Jordan 11 highs in a while. My last pair was the Concords, and I let that go because the bottom is turning yellow already. And that's the reason why I stay away from the translucent bottoms, because that's the reason why I stay away from the Jordan 11s in general. Because the bottom just turns yellow so fast. But I had to get this one because it is the 25th anniversary of the silhouette, and I think this color is pretty damn clean in my opinion. Got patent leather that wraps around the sneaker, very clean, all that black patent leather, and it blends within with a mesh in the upper as well. And the leather heel, ooh, the leather heel tab on this sneaker, the heel tab in the sneaker is pretty nice. Usually they put crappy leather on the 11s, but the leather on this sneaker is A1, man. Maybe it's because it's 25th anniversary, I don't know, but they put premium materials on these sneakers. You got that silver Jordan Jumpman right there on the ladder heel and the number 23 in the back. You also have that Jordan's name that goes down across the eyelet on both sides, so that's a pretty nice touch. I prefer it to be just black, but I guess it's because this is a special edition sneaker. Of course, you have that fiber plate right here and that milky translucent outsole with herringbone pattern and that Jumpman right in the middle right there. So it's a very clean sneaker, man. It looks slimmer to me. Usually the Jordan 11 is a little bit more bulkier than this, but to me it looks kind of slimmer than your typical Jordan 11s. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the colorways, maybe because it's black, they kind of look smaller, but we'll see when I put it on. I'm glad I cop a pair. This is more personal. I don't think there's any resale value on this sneaker. The last time I looked at StockX, I think it was going for like 300, and that's on release day, and that's gonna go down even more once everybody get their pairs online. But yeah, it's pretty clean, man. A couple of flaws right here though. We got some widow's peak right here on the side. Look at that translucent outsole. It's already turning yellow. You could tell that's gonna turn yellow very soon. It's not milky anymore. It's kind of like turning beige already. It's kind of turning yellow a little bit. I don't even know if I'm gonna wear this a lot because patent leather do tend to crease easily. Yeah, man, that's another reason why I stay away from the 11s, because the patent leather creases easily, the bottom turns yellow easily. It's not really a very well maintained sneaker, man. It's really hard to maintain the 11s unless you put something like a toe protection in here, but it's still gonna crease once you put your foot in this, because patent leather is just, it's not for me. I'm not a big fan of patent leather at all. I don't own a lot of patent leather sneakers, but yeah, but this one, man, I like it. If you guys are planning to sell these sneakers, I don't recommend that at all, because there's a lot of pairs of these sneakers online and in stores. And if you guys are holding, it's gonna be a long hold for you guys. Maybe a year from now or two, this maybe will reach like $400, but nothing more than that, nothing major. It's not that type of sneakers. Like I said, it's a personal pair. I saw a lot of people else on this online, but it shouldn't be that hard to cop this in stores, because even a lot of places, even foot sites and foot stores are getting their shipment late. So there's gonna be a few restocks during the week, and you should be able to get a pair because there are a lot of stock. But anyway, guys, that is all. It's just a quick pickup and unboxing and first reaction of this Jordan 11 Jubilee anniversary. Until next time, I'll see you guys on the flip side.